Hey teachers! In this video, I'm sharing 3 of my personal favorite ESL resources to save you some time. Let's go! My first website is teachthis.com. If you've been watching my videos, you know how much I love this site. Teachthis.com provides a bunch of printable ESL activities, worksheets, games, and lessons. All you gotta do is search and print. For example, let's go with comparative adjectives and you'll find a variety of games. I always look for the green ones since they're free and because I'm cheap, but you can absolutely be a member and spoil yourself with all of the premium worksheets and games. Guys, seriously, this site saved my life like gazillion times, so I'll keep the link in the description. My second site is an excellent resource for listening materials. It's Randall's ESL Lab. I don't know who Randall is, but Randall, if you happen to be here, I love you, I thank you, I appreciate you. If you go to listening activities here, you get to choose the level of the lesson, for example, easy, intermediate, or difficult, and then choose the topic you want. And here you have the pre-listening exercise, some idioms, the listening exercise itself, vocab practice, post-listening exercise, and finally the online investigation. And usually the investigation bit is my students' homework. Also, make sure to check the vocabulary lessons and make sure to check the English culture videos as well. They're so much fun because students get to see what the man is describing and talking about, along with some amazing discussion questions. I'll keep the link in the description. It's really worth checking. My third and last resource is for conversation questions or conversation starters. I found them on eslgames.com. They're ESL conversation questions on different topics. What I like about this particular site is the type and quality of questions. They're not the boring, cheesy ESL questions that we usually find online. I like them because they really help and encourage the students to talk about whatever topic we're discussing. The link is in the description. That's pretty it for now. Thank you, teachers, for being in my channel.